DD News is here on the cement bridge of Baramulla parliamentary constituency, and this bridge in fact has been witnessed to many casualties, to many killings, to many violence activities. Talking about Baramulla in early 2000, this particular region was at the receiving end of militancy. But the people of Baramulla have left all that behind. Now that the region is going to polls on the 7th of this month, this region is witnessing a very tight contest between National Conference and the PDP. Sharifuddin Sharik of National Conference has already registered one win in the parliamentary elections on National Conference's ticket. And of course, the PDP's senior think tank, Muzaffar Beg, has also registered one win in the assembly polls. But this time around, these old-time rivals are once again pitted against each other, especially the Baramulla parliamentary constituency is definitely going to witness a very tight contest between NC and PDP. But what is going to be the fate of these two most prominent political rivals, given the issues here, only time will tell.
There are many persons who were injured by pellet injury. Yesterday there was one in Baramulla Old Town. He was hit by pellet injury at Azadganj, Baramulla. So I can say only that the pellets should be banned in Kashmir Valley and the pepper gas also should be banned.
यहाँ तो ज़्यादा जो फोकस होना चाहिए था वो यहाँ की बेरोजगारी पर होना था। यहाँ का जो यूथ है, जो पढ़ा लिखा यूथ है, चाहे डिग्री होल्डर्स है, चाहे डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स है, चाहे पीजीज उन्होंने किए हैं, चाहे और कोई डिग्रीज की है, उनके पास जॉब नहीं है। वो तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा है। जगह जगह पर स्टोन पेल्टिंग हो रही है। इस चीज को देखना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को, या गवर्नमेंट के जो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स हैं उनको देखना चाहिए, डीपली देखना चाहिए क्यों ऐसा हो रहा है। यहाँ भी असर होगा, काल का असर होगा, बंद का असर होगा। टाउन्स एंड सिटीज में तो इसका असर है। हाँ, अब जो फार फ्लंग एरियाज है, विलेजेस है, वहाँ तो कम असर रहता है।
अब सफा जो है ये एक मुद्दा है यहाँ कश्मीर में। इस पर यहाँ की गवर्नमेंट जो है तो उसने भी इस पर बहुत बार ये अपनी वो कार्रवाई शुरू की।
The election campaigning in Baramulla parliamentary constituency has been a low-key affair, especially in the wake of the killings in the Anantnag parliamentary constituency and death of a 22-year-old boy in Srinagar parliamentary constituency. But the issues here are clearly taking the center stage, especially of that of AFSPA, also the gross human rights violation by the pellet injuries, as well as employment opportunities for the youth. And would Baramulla and Kupwara also see the palpable impact of the separatist Bandh call as witnessed in certain pockets of Srinagar parliamentary constituency as well as Anantnag? Well, that really remains to be seen. With camera person Rajesh Rikki, this is Sakal Bhatt reporting from Kupwara and Baramulla parliamentary constituency for DD News.